Happy 4th of July. Today's a day when many of us wear something red, white, and blue, plan on watching fireworks, and of course, we grill out. Now, since there's still some time before all the festivities kick into high gear, we've got a last-minute burger idea that is holiday special. What we do is mix together some ground pork, breadcrumbs, an egg, and a few seasonings. After that's all mixed, we add in some chopped raw bacon. We found the best way to combine all this is by using our hands. Now, we divide this into 4 balls before shaping it into a burger. And a little tip, make an indentation in the center of each patty with your thumb. This way your burgers won't bulge up while they cook. Okay, right before they go on the grill, season them with a little pepper. Now, unlike traditional beef burgers, you want to make sure these are cooked all the way through. And when you take these hot off the grill and serve them on toasted buttered buns, maybe topped with coleslaw, get ready for the fireworks to begin. I hope you'll go online right now because you still have some time to make these juicy firecracker burgers today. They're that easy. And at some point today, think about our forefathers who shaped our great country, allowing us to be independent and free. I'm Howard from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we're looking for a patriotic way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.